GRS Engraving Tools. This is my MagnaBlock. It's a jeweler's vise. A GraverMeister, older machine. Today I would get a GraverSmith for the Texas style engraving I do. This is the heavy handpiece. You can get by with a lighter handpiece if you would like. This is a saddle concho that I am engraving. And this is a quick change tool with a rubber handle. I really like these tools from GRS. It has a flat graver in it. And I'm doing the wriggle engraving around this piece of nickel silver that's mounted on this mild steel concho. You will want to contact GRS and get a catalog and talk to them. That is the place to get your engraving tools. They are made in USA and made to last. Now I'm going to put a wheat stalk right up the center of this piece of nickel silver on each side. Then I'll come back and put a nick on each side, kind of Texas style wheat stalk engraving. I've also done scroll engraving with this same machine and handpiece on pocket knives and sterling silver pieces. Got a cotton ball on that red WD-40 lid there, and got some WD-40 sprayed in there. It kind of lubricates my cutting edge there. That's the reason I dip the tip of that tool in there every now and then. Kind of got a makeshift holding fixture here. That's a board that screwed that concho in the slots there, so I can hold the piece while I engrave it. Before engraved conchos, and that's what they look like afterwards. Thanks for taking your time to watch this tutorial on Texas style engraving as well as the GRS tools.